cringe. I feel so exposed right now. Oh, is that transition good or bad? It's just for the vibes.
How are you feeling?
I feel this many.
Headed to Boston, everyone. We're leaving right now.
Listen, we're not wearing the right colors. I should be wearing yellow, but it's okay. I actually didn't bring anything that was yellow. You, in 2 days, and you are in 2 days, and we are in 2 seconds. I was kidding. I was kidding. I was just kidding.
She thought she ate with that.
I thought I ate with that. Time to wipe these nasty killers. Are you ready to rock?
And roll.
I was gonna say that.
Are you ready to Boston Rob? I was really anxious, you know, and now I'm not anxious at all, and I'm so
I
excited.
don't have anything to be anxious about.
Well, just thinking about all the people that were gonna be there. I told Ryan, I was like, we try to make content about like spreading the gospel. We want more and more people to see it. And then I go somewhere where I can literally spread the gospel, and I'm like, I don't want all those people there. Just more people that get to witness the gospel, so.
Turned off. Keep the all clear of all.
We at the hotel with it.
We're gonna go eat dinner with Runna, and I'm nervous. What if I don't make friends? Scared I'm not gonna make friends.
Boston looks like such a cool city. Excited to explore it.
It sounded so inspirational.
You think people will be inspired by me saying I'm excited to explore Boston? What is like our agenda this weekend?
Tomorrow, Shakeout Run event with Anta. Then we'll go to the Expo, and then I'm calling it a night.
Gonna get some dinner in.
Probably watch a movie, vibe, and then catch the early bus Monday morning to go run the marathon. Then flying home.
Right after the marathon. That's kind of crazy. Now I'm gonna try and figure out how to get this NBA game on because I could not figure it out. Dinner fit, check.
Dinner fit, but wait, they're shorts.
We got.
Don't show the toenails. They're not present at the moment.
I was talking about the shoes.
You can't show the toes. Don't show my toes.
This is a really cool street.
Yeah.
What is almost Abby Luckett? What do you use that for?
For me, because
like
I'm almost Abby Luckett.
We just got back from the Runna team dinner.
Okay.
We went to Capos. It was an Italian restaurant. I got a margarita Roman style pizza, and it was fire. And all the people that we met were great. It was a lot of fun.
How's that music?
Music was musicking. They played a song by Biggie. Oh, what's the song called? I can't think of the name. It was
See you guys tomorrow.
Oh, good morning, everyone.
Yeah, I didn't even give you a hug today. Will you?
Happy Easter, everyone.
Will you come here?
It's Easter Sunday.
Will you come here so I can give you a hug because he is risen? Give me a hug. I love you.
Love you. Happy Easter, everybody.
This is our second Easter together. Our first Easter as an engaged couple. We're about to go to the Anta Shakeout Run and run with Anta to shake out our bodies. Wait, let's talk to Dad. This is Dad's first Boston, right?
It is my first.
But what are your thoughts?
Great, I love Boston so far, and it's gonna be exciting.
See you there.
They kind of wanted to shoot some like single person content with you, if you're up for it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Wow, cool.
Yeah.
I'm Abby.
Abby, Courtney, and you're Ryan. Hi,
yep.
Ryan.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you're gonna be on all of our videos. and
Yay.
I'm
everything.
sure she's used to that.
Let me get you guys shoes.
Awesome.
I'll be right back.
Thank you.
It's really cool, yeah. That's cool.
Like Alex Hermeson's.
I'm not running. Dad's not running either.
I'm not.
No, you can run.
Well, I want to be with you.
They're gonna do a photo shoot of me.
Oh, cool.
It's been so long since I've worn new shoes.
I know, these shoes feel great.
They really do. They look cool too.
Abby is doing a photo shoot with Anta right now.
Everyone's so nice, and I felt so special. Nothing I've ever done before.
Yeah, we
The adrenaline kicked in. I was like, I can't look slow while they're videoing me running, so I just tried to like. I never know how to like hold my face though, you know, because you don't like think about what you look like when you run until there's like a camera there, and then I'm like, what do I do? They were really good at like guiding me and telling me what to do. They're super comfy.
Yeah.
And did you get the pink in the back? Bye, everybody.
See ya.
Should I get a matcha or a latte? I think I need more caffeine than a matcha.
Get me a nice coffee.
Coffee. I'm gonna get an almond milk, hot almond milk latte with sugar-free vanilla.
That's elite.
8.5 out of 10.
Probably good. 8.8. Where are we at?
We're at the Boston Marathon Expo. I'm so excited. I have so much energy coursing through my veins right now. I know I'm gonna crash later tonight, but I'm feeling crazy right now. It's like hitting me now, I think. I was pretty calm until this photo shoot thing this morning, and now I'm like,
You have to have your ID.
And I literally saw a video of a girl that was like, bring your ID. And I was like, oh, I'm gonna need to bring my ID because I know I wouldn't bring it otherwise. Sorry, guys.
No, you're good. No worries at all. We promised Abby's running the marathon. You can't just have a picture of your ID. You have to have your physical ID, so we gotta go back to the hotel.
Today, so.
Second time's a charm. We have an ID, so we're back. Let's go.
Boston Marathon bid. I got my bid. Yay. We going in.
To the shindig.
Your hair is crazy. I feel excited. Legs are ready.
Oh, that looks great.
Leg reveal. Matthew 28:6, for he is not here, he is risen. There's more to it, but that's basically the gist. My number. Probably 8. Probably just carry both of these and see when I want to eat them. I have absolutely no fueling plan. I have no plan for any of it.
You're gonna do amazing. And you're gonna have so much fun. Ooh, looks great.
Thank you. I was gonna do 2, but then I was like, nah, just 1. I'm ready. I'm feeling like I have absolutely no game plan. I have absolutely no mental preparation. Like it feels like I'm not even going to run a marathon. Like I'm just like here.
That's probably exactly how you should for this one.
I was gonna say, I've never really felt like that. I feel like every marathon's different, but I'll always psych myself out for it. Like this one, I'm literally just like la 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 la.
Well, that's how you can not think about all this, what you have to do, and you just think about what's around you.
I've been comparing it to like the first time you take the ACT. I'm like, I just need to get a lay of the land and just see what it feels like. I can't go in like trying to hit a certain goal. So like 3 hours until you get to the start line, so it'll probably hit me right before I go. I'm gonna listen to Mamma Mia music while I run this time though. Carb loading for that big race.
Yeah, carb loading for my day of cheering on Abby. All right. Abby.
Love you, darling.
Bye.
Bye.
Girl, thank you.
Out there.
Yes, I'm wearing a New York Yankees hat in Boston. I did not think that one through. We dropped Abby off at the train. Abby's filming on the course, so just had some breakfast, having a little bit more coffee. Her dad and I are gonna be able to see her, I think, one time. We're gonna go out to mile 17 to see her, and we'll see her right after. She's gonna do awesome. I'm so excited. We are at the train station, headed to mile 17 marker to go see Abby. Let's go, Abby! Let's go! Train's here, time to go to the finish line.
Insane.
Congratulations. You did awesome. 3:35.
I realized very quickly after about 2 miles of hills within the first 2 miles of the race, I was like, oh. I thought I had done Heartbreak Hill 3 times before I had gotten there. I love just being able to be brainless and let Dad lead the way. Oh, my back.
My time was at 3:35. I was humbled by the hills. It's constantly rolling hills the entire time, but it was the most fun race I've ever done. There were people the entire time. The energy was crazy. Like even though there were hills, the energy kind of like pushes you through. I listened to Mamma Mia for the first 13 miles, and then I listened to Jesus music for the last 13 miles.
Even as a spectator, it was one of the most fun. So much energy.
But my goal of having fun and just taking it easy definitely accomplished that goal. I'm ready to eat some actual food though. I've only had granola bars all day today, but I did go to the bathroom, so that's nice. Peace out, Boston. We love you. Wait. Goodbye from Boston Rob.